Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today I would like to show you my test of Gridinsoft Anti-Malware. I got my hands on this program quite a while ago, but only these days I discovered there are no videos with this program test. It's a pity considering that this app served me for several years without any flaws. Shortly about today's test, I've collected a pack of malware from online sandboxes like 3RGE, Intensor, AnyRun, and so on. All samples are dated 19th of May, meaning they are as fresh as possible. Here is all the malware I come across. This archive contains 816 samples. Tests with such fresh malware packages are great for understanding frequency and quality of database updates. The ability to operatively react to noise threats is invaluable when it comes to protection against most tricky malware. Moreover, it also tests the program's ability to find and neutralize threats with the heuristic engine. We'll test it as well. First, I will launch a custom scan. It does not differ from a regular one by its methods, but you specify one or several directories the program should check. This scan is quite useful for checking up archives you're not sure about. And remember, all malware tests should be conducted in a specific environment, I mean virtual machine or a specifically dedicated system. Working with malicious software is as dangerous as playing with fire. Their precautions are never excessive. As you can see, it detected all 816 samples. This can have taken some time just because the uncompressed size of this archive is over 700 megabytes. Let's click Clean Now to wipe all the things out and to see if the program can deal with all of this malicious stuff. Yes, as you can see, all the detected things are now removed. Now let's switch to a proactive system test. It takes a bit of computational power in the background, but forces the program to control each file and folder accessed by both user and programs running in the system. This allows it to detect malware dynamically, even when static analysis is failing. Still, proactive protection bears on the heuristic detection method, thus may miss something or in contrast detect an innocent file. Now, let's try to open the folder that duplicates one we scanned with a custom scan. And as you can see, the program immediately started detecting malicious threats. Let's give it a bit more time. Well, it took just around 2.5 minutes and missed 9 malicious files of 816. It is what advertisements call 99.9% of germs. By its very essence, behavioral analysis is prone to have problems with static files, and the fact that Gridinsoft Anti-Malware got almost all malware with heuristics even before we tried to run it is impressive. It is obviously useless to try to launch the samples as the mechanism of reactive scanning is capable of detecting the files even before they get inactive. As you can see, most of the malicious files are dispatched effectively. To be honest, I had no doubts that Gridinsoft anti-malware is effective, but such a rapid reaction to modern threats is frankly amazing. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. See ya and stay safe online.